In September of 2015, at the 2015 Texas State Fair, Ford Motor Company unveiled the all-new 2017 SuperDuty line, which marked the first all-new SuperDuty since its introduction in 1998. With this introduction, Ford showed the new SuperDuty would be constructed using the same cab construction as the F-150, as well as sharing similar interior styling, at a first since 1998. In today's video, we take a detailed, in-depth review of the newly refreshed 2020 Ford F-250 SuperDuty. And the F-250 we are looking at is the more common trim XLT and the 160-inch crew cab configuration with the FX4 off-road package. This F-250 is painted in Velocity Blue Metallic and features a medium earth gray cloth interior. A look to the left shows a pricing breakdown for this truck, and a detailed look at all the options is in the description box below. The 2020 refresh was first shown in 2019 at the Chicago Auto Show in February. With several powertrain options available, the configuration in this truck proves to be possibly the more popular one. Sadly, it does not have the new 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, but rather the updated and enhanced PowerStroke V8 diesel. First thing first, this truck is equipped with the FX4 off-road package, with the electronic shift-on-the-fly transfer case with electronic locking rear differential. Not that this is the off-road oriented trimmer package, the truck is still very capable off the beaten path. Off-road specs for those who are interested are a 159-inch wheelbase, overall length of 250 inches, ground clearance is 8.7 inches with an approach angle of 17.3 degrees, a departure angle of 19.3 degrees, and a ramp breakover angle of 17.6 degrees. In addition, we also have manually locking hubs up front as well. And power comes from the updated and enhanced 6.7-liter overhead valve 32-valve push-rod actuated PowerStroke Turbo Diesel V8. The engine features high-pressure common rail fuel injection and a compacted graphite iron block with a 15:8 compression ratio. It creates 475 horsepower at 2,600 RPM, 1,050 pound-feet of torque at 1,600 RPM. This is standard output, by the way. No need to pay more money for the max output like in the Ram. Our truck is equipped with a 3.31 axle ratio and 10,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. It is good for a max payload of 3,470 pounds, a max conventional trailer tow weight of 15,000 pounds, and max gooseneck trailer tow weights of 14,700 pounds. And while the EPA does not require fuel economy figures to be published, the F-250 features a 34 US gallon diesel capacity with 5 US gallons of DEF tank capacity. The transmission on this truck is a new Ford SuperDuty 10-speed torque shift automatic. It features selectable drive modes and select shift manual shift capabilities. And walking around the rear of the truck, we can see the revised styling in the taillights and tailgate as well as the bumper. The frame of the F-250 is fully boxed high-strength steel with the body being constructed of military-grade aluminum. That said, the bed and tailgate are aluminum, the bumper is chrome with black plastic treads. For 2020, the taillights on this truck are standard incandescent type illumination with integrated blind spot sensors. Full LED units are available as optional equipment on higher trim levels. The revised tailgate features the Ford oval out in the center line and mounted above the embossed SuperDuty text in the middle. While the truck does not feature any type of tailgate damper, the gate itself is lightweight. You've also got 4 and 7 pin wiring. You've got the hitch lock, as well as a Class 6 receiver hitch. And along the profile of this truck, as one can see, it is long. There is no mistaking this truck's 250-inch or almost 21-foot overall length. With the chrome package, this truck does feature the chrome running boards that run from door to door and feature the black textured treads and the SuperDuty text that is found on the tailgate. Steering is hydraulically assisted, vehicle speed sensitive, variable rate, recirculating ball. Wheels on this truck are the optional chrome PVD 18 by 8 inch aluminum wheels with LT 275/70 R16 Kevlar reinforced Goodyear Wrangler all-terrain adventure tires. Brakes are 4-wheel ventilated discs with 14.29 inch rotors front and rear and are assisted by ABS, traction control, hill descent control, trailer sway control, and these brakes can bring the 7,300 pound truck from 60 miles per hour to zero in an impressive 147 feet. And looking at the front, this truck means business, and the styling shows no different. The front end has been revised for the 2020 model year with a more commanding presence going down the road. Changes include a revised grille, bumper, and headlamps. The edge of the hood features the same embossed SuperDuty wording embossed in it. The hood is extremely lightweight and counterbalanced on hydraulic struts. And this truck is equipped with a $280 PowerStroke trailer tow mirrors, and you get a lot of mirror for your money. First off, of course, we have power folding mirrors. In addition to that, we have the power telescopic mirrors. You've also got adjustable blind spot mirrors. Turning the headlamps on and turning the switch on also turns on your side light mirrors, or your side lights in the mirror housing. And you've also got LED signal repeaters. And the grille is typical Ford with a twin bar design with a new look to it. Below is a chrome bumper with chrome plated tow recovery hooks and LED fog lamps. Headlamps on this truck are not the higher end LED units, but rather standard incandescent halogen headlamps. And this particular truck is not equipped with Ford's Smart Key Access System, but just features the standard keyless remote entry with the switchblade style key. With the chrome package, we do have the chrome handles, and we've also got the keypad, keyless remote entry, and inside shows that we do have the captain or the bucket seats. They're 40 console 40 configuration. Updated materials in the door trim feature higher quality plastics, softer touch materials. You also have your control panel here for your PowerStroke mirrors. You also have power windows and power door lock controls. Pretty standard features. Nice deep molded storage pockets in the doors. This truck is equipped with 6-way power seats with 2-way adjustable lumbar support and manual reclining seat backs. Your mirror side light controls, automatic headlamp controls. You've also got power adjustable pedals. You've also got a tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It is just a neoprene wheel, urethane plastic. There's no leather on it. And taking a look at the seats are very comfortable. They're nice and supportive. They have good lateral and horizontal back support, good lumbar support, high quality materials. The cloth feels good. Overall, it's pretty nice. Alright, let's pan through the interior and show more details. As you can see here, nice, fluid, easy to use power assisted steering. Doesn't really feel like you're in a heavy duty truck up here. Multifunction controls. These control your LCD displays, your cruise controls, your audio system, as well as your sync and Bluetooth controls and phone controls. Nice, easy to read instrumentation with a small LCD productivity screen. It's a smaller trip computer. It does not feature the full LCD panel that the higher trim levels do. It is still a very comprehensive trip computer with a ton of information displayed. Instead of a voltmeter, you have a turbo boost gauge. Alright, I'm pulling back and looking over the top of the dash. Pretty standard. There's a nice little storage bin at the top of the radio cluster. Pretty much standard, typical Ford. You do have the Sync 3 touchscreen display. It is an 8-inch touchscreen. It does have really good response. This vehicle is not equipped with navigation, however. And the row of buttons at top, you have your diesel engine brake. You've also got your traction control deactivation, 4-way flashers, hill descent control, and lane departure warning. Moving down, you have your hard controls for your audio controls. You've also got your air conditioning controls, single zone climate control with 3-stage heated front seats. Pretty straightforward climates. You've also got your shift on the fly transfer case and your trailer brake control. Over here you have a 12-volt power point and a 110-volt AC outlet. Behind this little panel, you have a USB and USB Type-C charge ports and a storage bin. You've also got additional storage and large cup holders and the center armrest. You also have a padded armrest with deep well storage and a removable storage tray. Overall, the interior of the F series is very well thought out, very ergonomic. Overhead, we have a manually dimming rearview mirror. You've also got overhead LED lighting. You've got map lights. You've also got your dome light override switches. Sunglasses holder. And we've also got a power sliding rear window. Sun visors are large. They do feature vanity mirrors, but no illumination. They also swing out, and of course they slide out on extension rails. Alright, let's take a look at the rear seat now. Of course, the rear seat is very roomy. It is a 60-40 split folding seat. Rear seat door trim is similar to that of the front seat, with the same high quality materials, soft touch points, and door pockets. The rear seat in these trucks are actually very large. All seating positions have high adjustable head restraints. They are of a 60-40 split folding design, but the seat bottom cushions are what lift up. You've also got molded storage trays here. You got 52 cubic feet of storage with your seats up, which is tremendous. Also note the flat floor. There is no transmission tunnel in this truck. This center console does feature dual cup holders. You've also got twin air vents. You have a 12-volt power socket, USB ports, and another 110-volt AC outlet. Alright, let's take a look at the cargo box. We do have a 6 3/4 foot cargo box. The dimensions with the open tailgate to ground is 35.3 inches. Your length at floor is 81 inches. Height at floor is 21.1 inches. Max width is 66.9 inches with your width between wheel houses at 50.5 inches. Your tailgate width is 60.5 inches with a maximum cargo capacity of 65.4 cubic feet. And that does conclude our video. If you like this and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And of course, check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and Instagram at BrensoJ1. Of course, as always, thanks for watching.